everyone, welcome to my channel, the Baking Diva. I know it's been a little while since I've done a recipe for you. Actually, Thursday will be 4 months since my husband, the cameraman, passed away, and we did go away. So I did do a couple of vacation videos, but I'm trying to get my head, wrapped around everything, and I'm trying to get motivated to get back to doing these things. It's been a little hard right now. So I am back, and I'll do these videos whenever I'm able. So I hope you're going to like this one today. This is easy. It's a healthy snack. It's basically, it went viral, and it's basically a strawberry banana, I'm going to call it. I know it goes by different names, but I'm going to call it a strawberry banana flour. You could call it a strawberry banana bark, a strawberry banana blossom, whatever you like. But it's super easy to make. So the first thing you're going to need is obviously strawberries. And right now they're in the stores, they're big, they're luscious, and they're sweet. You're going to need some chocolate morsels or candy wafers, and you're going to melt them in the microwave, just like that. And you're going to need banana. And this is even great if you have a couple of bananas left over and they're starting to ripen and you want to use them for something. And then I'll show you what else is optional. So, what do you say we get started? And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel or watched my 2 vacation videos, hit the subscribe, and also, you won't miss anything, and also I'll put the links to the vacation videos down below in case you haven't seen them. So I just took here a small baking tray, and I put parchment paper on it. You can use a bigger one, depending on how many you're going to make. So I'm going to swing the camera over here, so I'll focus on here, and you can see exactly what I'm doing. Is obviously wash your strawberries, and you're going to need a knife to slice them. So you can take off the tip if you'd like, and you can take off the top. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to slice these like this, and I'll show you. And you're going to do fairly thin slices. You're not going to do thick slices. See how that comes out? And that's exactly how I want them to look. And the bigger the strawberries, the better, because then you'll get a nice shape. Okay. And, well, this one's small. I'm going to use this for another one. So let me take another strawberry. Just take the top off it, where the stem was. There you go. And you're just going to slice them thin like this. Hopefully you can see this. Just like that. Okay. Alrighty. Then what I'm going to do is let me reverse this. I'm going to bring over my baking pan that has the parchment paper on it. And what you're going to do is you're going to take these little pieces of the strawberry that you cut, and you're going to use 4 of them, and you're going to make, let me show you here. I'm putting them on, my hands are clean. You're going to make, let me get another one. You're going to make the shape of a flower, just like this. Hopefully you can see it. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to cut slice one of our bananas. So let me do that for you now. We're just gonna slice our banana in slices here. Okay, so you're gonna take your slice of your banana and you're gonna put it in the middle. Okay, so this is what you now have. You have the 4 pieces of your strawberry with your sliced banana in the middle. Now, let me just take that off there. I'm going to take my melted chocolate that I melted in the microwave, and I'm going to spoon it over the banana and a little part of the strawberries. So let me do that for you now. Just like that. So easy. Here we go. Okay. And I'll try to put some pictures in for you so you get an idea of what I'm doing. Okay, now you can take, if you like, a little sea salt, or you can take some peanut butter that I melted and put in this little squeeze bottle, but you can use a spoon if you want. So I'm going to take a little bit of my sea salt. It's optional. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of it on there like that. Now you can leave it as it is. You can make them like this, and maybe if they're for kids, you want to put just a few little sprinkles on there. But I'm going to drizzle this with the melted peanut butter, just a little bit. You're just going to go zigzag. Just like that. Can you see what I did? And basically, that's all there is to it. You know, you can put your little sea salt on the top. And then you're going to put them either in the refrigerator or the freezer until the chocolate hardens. The chocolate will harden and the strawberries will get a little stiffer, and that's what you want. So wasn't that easy and healthy? I think the kids will love these too. And if you don't like the peanut butter on there, just leave it off. And these are going to be so adorable and such a healthy snack. So let me make a couple more for you, and then I'm going to put them in my refrigerator, and it won't take long for the chocolate to harden. And once it does, I'll be back and I'll show you what they look like, and we'll do a taste testing with these delicious, healthy strawberry banana flowers. Okay. Okay, so this is what they look like before I put them in the refrigerator. Little strawberry flowers. So as soon as that chocolate in the center is hardened, I'm going to take them out and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so I put these in the freezer. I think that's better than in the refrigerator because you want these strawberries to harden a little bit. Otherwise, you're going to pick them up and they're going to fall apart. And you have to make sure you put enough chocolate on there because the chocolate almost serves as glue and it keeps the strawberries and the banana together. So I'm going to lift one of these off here to show you what it looks like. There you go. And there's our strawberry banana flavor. And look at the other side. You see that? So cool. These are a great snack because they're healthy. I think your kids, when they come home from school, would even like these as a snack. Now, I can already see one of them, I did not put enough chocolate. The chocolate has to cover, a good part of the strawberry. So I'm going to show you what happens when you don't put enough chocolate on it. There you go. You see? I didn't have enough chocolate on there and it didn't stick it. Still good, but you want to make sure the chocolate covers all the strawberry and it gets down into the banana, and then it keeps it together. So I'm going to take a bite of this and see what it tastes like. I might as well take a bite of this one. Mmm. 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 Good. It's a nice, cold, refreshing strawberry. I'm going to taste that chocolate. Now, if you don't like peanut butter, you don't have to put that on there. Mmm. Let me see. Mmm. See the banana? I like it with the peanut butter because you get that banana flavor. These are really good. So give them a try. I think you'll like them. They went viral. And I didn't make it up. I found it, I think it was on TikTok. It was viral on TikTok. And I said, I have to make those and show them to my subscribers. So anyway, give them a try. They're healthy. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try to get back as much as I can to the baking end of it. It's just been difficult lately. I've had trouble getting myself motivated with all that's going on. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe. And that just means you'll get a notification when I have a new video up. So, love you all. Take care. Thanks for watching. And make these. Toodles! Mmm. Yum.